Welcome, Principles of Tech friends. This video is to explain the Arduino Basic Functions assignment. Let's pause for a moment. Look at all those tabs. Okay, moving on. There's a longer video here that hopefully you have already watched that teaches you how to program functions for Arduino and why you should use them. So I'm not going to go into that right now. This assignment will have a video description, but I'm recording it right now. I got a link to a sample program. Bam! Look at that. And remember, you can click and zoom in. You cannot copy paste because you got to write your own programs. Oof. Okay, here are the details for what I would like. Please put your name at the top of the program as a comment. Use variables in your code. Include the serial monitor in your program. Use at least 2 of these 3 output options in your code. Multiple LEDs, multiple buzzer sounds, and/or servos. By that I mean you can write your program so it has a buzzer and a servo, or an LED and a servo, or a servo and a buzzer. Did I say that already? I don't remember. Mix and match 2 out of 3. If you want to go big, have all 3. I'm happy with that. But for full credit, you only need to include 2 out of these 3 options. And then for each of your outputs, create at least 2 functions for each output. So 2 different buzzer sequences and 2 different LED sequences as functions. Each of your functions should include serial monitor to tell us when that function is running. Call each of your functions in your program at least twice, so we get a nice sequence happening, and add at least 4 comments that describe your understanding of what that line of code does. Test run your code and turn it in, and I beg you, friends, please follow these instructions when it comes to turning in your work. I'm still getting about a third of your assignments I can't see in Tinkercad, and I think it is because not everyone is following these instructions. They're just sending me the link that is live for them to edit, but I can't see it. Then in the gradebook, I'm giving you an NYG for not yet graded, and you got to go back and fix it all again before I can give you a grade. Lastly, click here to turn in this assignment and any others that you may need to turn in. That's the short and sweet description. Feel free to email me with questions. Watch the lengthier video tutorial for full details. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.